What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to zoom in on TikTok videos. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, go down to the bottom center of the screen where you see the plus sign and click on that plus sign. That's going to open up your camera where if you're in selfie mode, you'll see your face. Otherwise, you can just turn it around. But to zoom in, all you have to do is, I'm going to explain it first. All you have to do is press and hold that camera icon down at the bottom center of the screen and then just drag it up to go ahead and zoom in and zoom out. Cool thing about this is you can actually record while you're doing it and you don't need to find and use an effect to do it. It's totally easy. And I'm not going to speak while I do it because it won't record my audio, but here we go. All right, that's it. You can see my zoomed in and out face. All I did was press and hold that little circle thing and just dragged it up to the center of the screen. And then of course you can just press next down at the bottom after you're done adding your sounds, effects, text, stickers, filters, and all kinds of other cool stuff. For the sake of this example, I'm just gonna back out and discard the post. I hope this video helped you out on how to zoom in and out with TikTok videos. Go ahead and watch the video on the screen right now. It's a cool tutorial for TikTok that I think you'll really enjoy.